How's it going? It's Tim from Tiki Media. Now today I'm recording some Foley noises or sound effects because I'm really bored of using the same old whoosh noises in my transitions. So I thought, whack a camera up, record the noises, and if they go down well, I'll pop them up for free. So there'll be a video link down below here with all these videos and a link you can download them from as well, so you can rip them off YouTube or go to the link. So, how do you do whoosh noises? Well, you can do all kinds of clever stuff. You search YouTube, you see guys in big Foley studios whipping things around past the microphone. But also works pretty well just to go past your microphone. Bit of tweaking in post, you got some really nice sounds. So, I'm going to try a few, record them, pop them through the computer, see how they turn out, bang them on YouTube, you can download them, make use of them, awesome. Right, let's give it a go. I'm going to look a bit daft while I do this, so bear with me. Right, save those, bang them in the computer, few tweaky tweaks, upload them, awesome.
Okay, so back at my desk, I've got Audition open. Now you could use probably Premiere, you could use After Effects, you could use whatever audio editing software you prefer, but I like to use this one. So we're in the software and I've bought in my audio. Now I've bought in two versions of the audio. My audio recorder records standard setup that I want the audio levels to be, and one that's 6 decibels lower. Now I like that because this one gets loud when I'm recording them. It doesn't peak and go all crunchy. But for this, I found that when I go whoosh, there's a real plosive, the microphone buffers because the air coming out my mouth against the microphone. So the -6 dB version has sort of saved the day. So if I show you here, we go this one here. See how it's really loud up here, and this one much quieter. But the audio levels are still fine, it's nice and clean, so we're going to work with these. So let's just sort of play through a few to get an idea of what we've got. So we've got quite a range of different sounds. We've got some nice little quick ones, some slightly bigger ones, and we can sort of treat them all in different ways. So we're going to select this one here, and then we're going to copy it, and then go File, New, Audio File, Untitled, OK, and paste it in. So we don't want the extra bit, so it's there to there. Maybe just inch it a tiny bit. There we go. And I'm going to edit, and we'll crop that down. So first of all, let's get some compression on there. So down to the filters and compression and a multi-band compressor. As it plays through, go broadcast, and make sure these little sliders are meeting where the levels peak for each band, like that. Make sure on the output gain we're not peaking above 0, just put it slightly down. Beautiful. And without, that's before, and this is after. And then next up, put some EQ on there. So I'm going to pull up my EQ. There we go. Pretty solid noise. And we can even try a little bit of reverb on there maybe as well. Let's go for a studio reverb and maybe go for a room ambience. Simple as that. So we've taken a simple whoosh noise that sounds a bit like someone's breath. With some basic compression, EQ and reverb, we've made a really nice whoosh noise. I'll go through, do about 10 of these. I'll put the end of the video here, and then you can go to the link video to download them, or the link down below to go to my website and download them. They'll all be free. Use them as however you want. If you tell me you've used them, that'd be awesome. It'd be nice to see them used. Otherwise, all cool. Have an awesome day, and I'll catch you later. See ya.